Hey guys, I've done a lot of videos for you on different ways to build different kinds of raised beds, but what if you don't have the skill, the tools, the time, the energy, or the ability to build and you need to purchase something? So today I'm going to show you one that you can buy that is so easy to put together. It's like building giant Legos, and it's got a lot of great features. One of the great things about this, why do you have to get in every video? He wants to be the stars, you guys. What do you think? Anyway, the great thing about this is that it is self-watering. So if this is outside in the rain like mine will be, you'll pretty much never have to fill it. You can just set it and forget it. So today I'm going to show you all the ways that this thing has been designed to give you optimal growing conditions with minimal labor and input put into it. So this is a really cool little gadget. Let's see how it works. Now this thing comes with a reservoir that holds your water, but you also have a gauge here that allows you to determine how much water you want it to hold, because different plants have different requirements. Some like their roots to be wet, some don't. So you can determine how much water you want to be in it. From here up is going to be your soil. The roots and the dirt will actually pull the water up from the reservoir like a wick in an oil lamp does, to give them the water that they need. So once this reservoir is filled up, then you don't have to keep watering. You can either put it straight on the ground or on these legs elevated up. If you were putting it, in your house or on a patio, I think it would be great on the ground. For me, I want it elevated because we have a lot of bunny rabbits. So I like the legs to get it up off the ground for my strawberries in the spring and for my salad bowl lettuce in the winter, because the rabbits always wipe me out. So this will get it off the ground and protect it. We also get a little bit of flooding here occasionally, and that will keep it from getting too much water in my roots. And flooding the planter. So I really like it. Plus it's more convenient, especially for people with disabilities that can't really get down on the ground to work. You could sit in a chair or a wheelchair. This would actually be a great gift for older people who used to love to garden and really just can't do it anymore. Nursing homes, you might want to purchase a bunch of these. That would be a great activity to get them out in the yard, and would be easy for them to maintain. But another thing that I really like about this is that for my people that are watching in more urban settings, this would be a great option for balconies or roofs, even in your house. You could literally grow a herb garden in your house with this thing, and it would just be way, way, way easy. All right, as you can see, it popped up because we added water to it. So it's basically a float. It's going to go up to the amount that you want. You could put a lot if you were going on vacation, but it will tell you when it needs to be refilled. There's also very nice airflow vents to let the air down in under the root system into the water reservoir that will protect your plants against diseases. And then if we come down here, you can see where the overflow is. If I wanted to turn this down, I could. If I wanted to empty it out, I could. If I wanted to start high when I start my seeds, because the roots are really shallow, you could. And then as they grow down deep, if you wanted to reduce the water level a little bit, you could. I think that's pretty neat. That gives you total control over the moisture content in your soil and around your roots, depending on the plant that you have in it. Sorry, I look like I've been swimming, but it is Louisiana summer out here, and we have extreme heat and humidity. I think the heat index probably is somewhere around 115 today. So as quickly as I can make this video, I am drenched. So I don't want to have to be out here all summer tending to things that I don't need to. So like I said, whether you're a beginner or experienced, you can still benefit from something like this. In the hot summer months, stuff dries out in raised beds so easily, and if it doesn't, I don't want to have to come out here and tend to it if I don't need to. So I like it. I think you will too. Alright guys, there you have it. This is a really great, easy container garden option. You could literally grow an herb garden in your kitchen with this, or put it outside, set it, and forget it. I think it's really great. I'm going to enjoy it. I'm going to put a link for you in the description if you're interested to buy one.